Or Microsoft who will succeed in the metaverse first. So, guys, we're going to be checking out this article by Hina Rashid, the biggest tech giant. There's a table of content to have what is the metaverse, who owns the metaverse, our Meta and Microsoft. So, guys, we'll be doing a brief review about this article, dropping a link to in the description box. It says here innovative disruptions are occurring at a fast pace, and it is anticipated that the line between real life and virtual reality will soon become modeled in not too distant future. We're going through a significant technological transformation with known concepts such as augmented reality, AR, VR, artificial intelligence, AI, and next iteration of the internet. So while a number of crypto native firms have been working on various components of the metaverse over the past few years, tech giants like Meta, previously known as Facebook and Microsoft, have also spent a significant amount of time working on this new future. What is the metaverse? Meta means, among other things, beyond. So the metaverse can be broadly defined as the universe beyond all that is visible and known to exist. So, guys, the metaverse is part of the broader Web 3.0, next generation of the internet, where information will be processed in a smart, human-like way, and users will be more engaged than ever before. So, the metaverse will provide a 3D environment where you can walk about as your virtual self and interact with other virtual avatars. Virtual economy also facilitates the trading of virtual goods, building communities, doing work, and playing games, among other things. So, who owns the metaverse? The metaverse can be hosted on a decentralized network or centralized servers. So, in popular blockchain based metaverses like the Sandbox and Decentraland, wherever users can purchase digital real estate on the metaverse, which effectively means that they own part of the metaverse. However, for metaverses that Meta and Microsoft are building out, they are owned by these corporations. For instance, VR or Metaverse, Horizon Worlds that Meta is launching. This makes it a centralized entity, much like the Facebook suite of apps we use today. So those are some of the things you want to know. So how are they approaching the metaverse? According to both Microsoft and Meta, users will be able to create digital replicas of themselves, also known as avatars. They can wander freely throughout virtual worlds. Workers can attend meetings, have casual conversations with co-workers, or visit digital twins of real-world businesses. Meta is in the lead as far as VR devices are concerned. So there are thousands of worlds built by curators to explore. So you want to check that out too. So data privacy in metaverse. So one of the biggest points of contention is privacy. One can argue that Microsoft is perceived to be better at guaranteeing data privacy, especially after the lawsuits and hearings that Facebook has faced. Therefore, convincing users that their data will be safe will be fairly easy. So those are some of the things you want to check out. So we win the race. Meta's vision is more in line with concepts of the future world we see in science fiction, which involves people spending majority of their time hanging out in virtual worlds. While this trend may have accelerated due to the pandemic, will it persist when the world finally opens up? But Microsoft has long been a strong enterprise player, and its collaboration and productivity solution are still one of the most popular in the office. Adding more immersive collaboration features to current model makes sense in the near future, especially since many people are currently in remote work or hybrid arrangements in the ongoing pandemic. See, however, with emerging technology, it is anyone's guess who will turn out to be the eventual winners. According to Pew Research in 2011, smartphone adoption rate in US is 35%. Now, 10 years later, it is at 85%. Will that be the same for VR and mixed reality headsets? Only time will tell. Guys, thanks for watching. You back here. Stay safe. Peace out. Let us know what you feel. See you in our future uploads.